Hi, this is Mike, MPI Exhaust Technologies. We just finished up a Ford F-150 with our patented pulse chamber on it. Cut it just ahead of the factory flange. Pulse chamber, clamped on system, uses all the factory mounts on the right hand side. We made it so you can bolt it all together at home by yourself if you want to. Rear hanger, factory hanger on the muffler, factory hanger on the tailpipe. The only hanger we add is one for the left rear tailpipe. We build systems, ship them directly to you. This is Mike, MPI Exhaust Technologies.